Scott Groves here with another mortgage mystery. What are supplemental property taxes and do you need to pay them? Now, this is interesting and this is going to be a different answer for each county and municipality that collects property taxes through their county assessor. I'm going to describe how it works in LA County, which is where I've done most of my business over my career, and then you can kind of apply it to supplemental taxes that might be due in your county or to your local municipality tax assessor. And supplemental taxes are simply taxes that are due in the first year that you own the house because of the fact that the county or the tax assessor is catching up with their records. So for example, in the county of Los Angeles, taxes are due twice a year. They're due November 1st and late on December 10th. And then they're due again on February 1st, late on April 10th. So taxes are due in two installments. They're kind of close to each other. And in the county of Los Angeles, unlike some other counties around the nation, when you pay your taxes, you're actually paying the taxes for the upcoming 6 months that allows you to live in the house. So you're kind of paying your taxes in advance. So here's what happens. Let's say, for example, you close on a property in the county of Los Angeles in August, but the next tax bill is not due until November 1st, delinquent on December 10th. At some point after December 10th, the county of Los Angeles is going to catch up on their paperwork and say, oh, wait a minute. We were billing the homeowner a tax rate based on the previous owner's tax bill. However, when the new owner took over the property in August, in my hypothetical situation, the tax bill went up because now we're assessing the property at the new higher value. And we've got from August to December where, yes, the client was paying and saving for their taxes, but we hadn't yet updated the balance and the amount due on the property taxes between that August and December timeline. At some point in like January or February, you'll get a bill from the county of Los Angeles saying, hey, you're on track now because the taxes you just paid, which allow you to live into the house in the future, those are good to go. However, the tax basis based on from when you owned the house until that first tax bill was due, there's still a shortage there, the supplemental taxes, and you've got to send us a check for $1,000 or $1,200. Now, what's interesting is this supplemental tax bill is not covered by your impound account. So we'll put another video up here that we did previously on what's an impound or an escrow account. And the impound escrow account is saving money to pay your future taxes and the taxes that are due in the future. But that one supplemental tax bill is going to be due by you, the owner, to pay in cash to the county to catch up on that spread between the previous owner's tax rate, your tax rate, and that spread between when you bought the house and when the first tax bill was due. So a little confusing, kind of a one-time home ownership expense. I know it works a little bit different in other counties, so definitely check with your local tax assessor or tax authority. They should have something online to help you estimate what your supplemental taxes are, but that's how it works in LA. It is money that's due. It is money that you owe to the county. I know it's a little bit annoying because even though we have this conversation with every single transaction and every single home purchase, by the time the client or our borrower gets that bill 5 or 6 months or 8 months later, they've completely forgotten that conversation. It's a little frustrating because it's an extra tax on your home ownership, but it is due. Go ahead and pay it, be done with it, and know that that's only coming one time in your journey as a homeowner. So Scott Groves, Mortgage Mysteries. If you have any questions, if we missed something, do me a favor, leave a comment below, click the like button, subscribe. And if you're thinking about refinancing a house, if you have questions about your taxes, if you're thinking about getting pre-approved for a home loan, we'd love to help you. Get our contact information below, shoot us an email, give us a call, get on our calendar link, and we can talk to you about all things taxes and mortgages. Scott Groves, Mortgage Mysteries. Talk to you soon.